Hello viewers, in this video I will show you how to install Wi-Fi driver in Windows 11. How to do this? Let's start. This software link will be provided in video description. Now right click on it and run as administrator. Installation wizard will appear. Now on this window click on install button. Now installation in process. It will depend upon your PC or laptop speed. Now it's scanning your PC or laptop for drivers. Now you can see here all drivers that are missing are installed on your PC are loaded here. Now scroll down the window and find the desired software that you want to install. As we want to install the Wi-Fi network adapter drivers. Now write down the name of these Wi-Fi adapters on Notepad. Now select the name of this Wi-Fi driver and copy this and go back to any web browser and search in Google search engine, paste here and press enter button. Multiple results will appear. Now open any website for Wi-Fi drivers. Click on it. Now switching a hoop driver. We are using Windows 11 and make sure it is ported to Windows 11. A view detail option. On this window, you will find download button. Click on it and start downloading. Downloading in process. It depends upon your internet speed. Now it's done. Now right click on this setup and run as administrator. Click on next button. Accept the terms and conditions and click on install button. After install the setup, your Wi-Fi will work perfectly. These easy and simple steps that you can follow to install Wi-Fi drivers in Windows 11. Hope so this video will be helpful for you. See you another video. Goodbye.